What's up, YouTube? Want to take you through this 1974 Chevy Nova. You see that 350 engine, 345 horsepower in there. At the House of Hot Rods, you can see they put the stripes on there and a little black matte look with those trimmed off door hinges. Man, the car is just really turning out great. They tucked my bumpers. They also did a great work on the engine as well. You got to check these guys out. House of Hot Rods in Mansfield. Man, look how that color looks on that car. Looks wonderful.